John Tota here, your Rockstar Learning Evangelist at eLearning Brothers. And as I've said before, we are super excited about the Rockstar Learning Platform. This is a game changer for learning and development departments everywhere. We've taken the best of an LMS, the best of an LXP, combined them together into what we think is going to be the most engaging experience for your learners. One of the first features we want to talk about is boards. Boards is a way for any user at any level to find great content they love inside of their Rockstar Learning Platform and share it with other users. So let's take a look at how this works right here. You see boards from your main screen. If I click in here, you can see I have a couple boards already created, a leadership board, a study group board. So what this is that I can create a board simply by clicking add here. I'll type this one in as my sales board. Add it. Now I've got a new board. It's blank. There's nothing on it. What you see here with the populated board like the study group, I can click and share it just like this. It'll pull up all the users that I've already shared it with and then allow me to add new users to share it with. So again, finding content that you like, curating it to a board that provides some context, and then sharing it with other users who can get value out of it. So now let's take a quick look. I can look at it from a tile view. Obviously, sales and leadership are empty, but this study group has all this great content. I can see the thumbnails. I can click on them right from here for easy access. I could sort my boards by name or by creation date. And now when I click into any piece of media, I'll take one like this, our Welcome to Virtual Onboarding video, you'll see in the lower right-hand corner is the boards icon. As you can see, all the boards that I have created, I can add to. Now this one's already on the study group board, so it's checked off. I don't need to add it there. But say I want to add it to my sales or my leadership board, I simply click on it here, and boom, it's added. And now when I go back to my main screen on the main dashboard here, I go back to boards. Now I look at leadership and I've got that piece of content. I can change the title on it any way I want, add the content, share it with other users, and now I'm socializing content inside of the Rockstar Learning Platform. And that is what we're trying to do here, give our users so many different ways that content can be socialized and curated and used with different people across the community. Boards is just another example of that. Get in there, use it, share your feedback with us. I'm John Tota, your Rockstar Learning Evangelist, and I'll see you in the next episode.